Hi folks, this is Tim with Narhi Auctions. Here we got the with the Tuttle auction. We have the A25 6x6 Volvo off-road dump. This has a Volvo 6-cylinder engine in it, 4-speed automatic transmission. Starts and runs good. Has a couple tire issues on it, but seems to be a pretty darn good truck. Most of their stuff we've seen has been pretty well maintained and looks pretty clean all around. Go ahead, Dan, and give us a little demonstration. You can take it around the circle too if you want, once you get her going, after you dump it. It's got a new battery in it, and filters look like they've been put in pretty recent. Estimate that leveled off, that's about a 20-yard box. Single post hoist. Volvo A25 6x6 off-road dump.